please.
Hello, everyone. This is Vorticity. This is also Vorticity. We can find Vorticity everywhere in this world. This is my urine stream. This movie was obtained by my iPhone. And we can find...
Congrats.
Thank you. Vorticity also. In physics, vorticity is a key physical phenomenon associated with fluid speed, fluid resistance, and fluid viscosity. Thus, we suppose that vorticity can be a new parameter to assess lower urinary tract function. This slide is showing the experimental setup. It's very simple. High-speed video camera was used to observe urine stream, synchronizing urethrometry, and only 2 healthy volunteers participated in this pilot study. First, I present the findings at Qmax. We can see the shape of urine flow clearly, and we can detect the vorticity in anti-clockwise direction. Similarly, we can find the vorticity at Qmax, like this. This is urine flow in young man. Qmax is not so different in the previous urine flow, but the shape of urine flow is more linear in young man. Next, I will present the urine flow at terminal voiding. The vorticity changes into spiral shape after vorticity. So next, I summarize the change of vorticity shape. I defined this part as the first twist in vorticity, and the position of the vorticity changed in accordance with urine flow rate, like this. So, using high-speed video camera, we can detect the urine flow, the shape of urine flow clearly, and we can distinguish from the shape of urine flow, such as vorticity part, spiral part, scattering part. So in conclusion, urine vorticity can be observed by high-speed video camera, and the shape of vorticity change in accordance with urine flow rate or other factors associated with urine speed. Thank you for your attention.
Question from the audience? What happens in Australia? It's my question. The opposite.
Meijer from the Netherlands. Interesting study. Is do you think you measure the size of the meatus? That is the main driving factor of the vorticity. The size of the meatus.
A size of meatus.
The size, like
the size.
When you have a garden, you put water in the garden. When the hole is very small, you can flow very fast with the same water.
So you have raised a very nice question. So it's possible, or the size of the orifice is associated with urine shape. So we have to consider about it. So, but I showed only technology to find the shape of urine flow. So the next step, I have to check measure the orifice size in each participant. Thank you.
Have you seen any in these healthy volunteers differences in the volume, the voided volume? If the voided volume changes, there are changes also in the vorticity?
I think no. So average of voided volume is more than 300 milliliter. So in this pilot study, so pathological condition did not include it. So I cannot say in detail, but
in this preliminary evaluation, you didn't find differences with the voided volumes.
No, I cannot do differences in this study.
It's a proof of concept in this moment. The good aspect is that you were able to identify these three parts of the vorticity, so that may be studied in, of course, in healthy and pathologic subjects to find differences.
Yeah.
So it maybe in the future we'll be able to bring us further data on that.
And next steps.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much.